entertainment channel, and this is the hardware and benchmarks of the Dell Venue 7. This is a newly launched tablet, and I have lots of benchmarks to show you how the performance of this tablet is actually and how the build quality is. So let's first start with the benchmarks. I have the CPU Z Nina Mark II Quadrant Standard Antutu benchmark and the CPU Prime benchmark. So let's start with the CPU Z benchmark first. So here is the CPU Z benchmark, and as I load, let me save the settings. And here is the 1.6 GHz Intel Atom CPU Z2560 chipset, and there are 4 cores, 2 are virtual cores and 2 are physical cores, and x86 architecture is there. The Android 4.3 is there, and the DPI is 213, and 1978 MB RAM is available, and out of which 1225 MB of RAM is free right now. Here is the battery status, 27 degrees Celsius, the temperature of the battery right now, and here's the accelerometer and the digital light sensor. The company have skipped on the sensors, however you cannot complain at this price point. So now let me show you the Quadrant Stand Nina Mark II benchmark. Let me run the Nina Mark II benchmark. It's a graphic intensive benchmark, and it's touching 60 FPS every time. As you can see, the score is touching the 60 FPS mark, which is the highest. So the score is 60.4 FPS. Now let me show you the Quadrant Standard. This Quadrant Standard benchmark is really fast and really nice. So the scores are out, and it shows 8473, so that is a really nice score this device has scored. So really better than the Moto G and the Grand 2 also. Let's start the CPU Prime benchmark, and I would say that this device is better than those of Grand 2, which has 4 cores, and this device has only 2 cores, and then also it's better than them and comes at a lower price. So here are the scores. It's lesser than the Galaxy S4 and the Nvidia Shield, but better than the HTC Desire 2139. So let me test the Antutu benchmark. Here's the Antutu benchmark, it's running. Let's wait till it shows the score. So the scores are out, and it shows
Hey guys, for more videos
1907.
log on to Raxon.in, or you can also log on to www.facebook.com/